Welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Children, today from English speaking classes, we'll be going to know our doctor. No, like occasionally we'll be falling sick, we'll be having some health issues, some pain, some hurt, some wounds. No, then we'll be confused to which doctor we have to consult. No, so here there are some doctors. According to your problem, you have to consult one particular doctor. Clear, children? We'll see who are they. Like the top 15 types of doctors you should know. Who are they? The first one is cardiologist. Okay, cardiologist. Like who is he? He or she treats any abnormality in our blood vessels and heart. Okay, so cardiologist is a doctor who is going to treat the problem which is concerned with the heart and the blood vessels. No, heart is going to pump the blood through blood vessels. So cardiologist is going to treat any problem which is related to this. Okay, so this can include heart disease or condition which requires diagnosis and treatment. So he will be able to diagnose what is the exact problem, and he is also going to treat the problem. He is going to cure us with that heart disease or blood vessels problem. Okay, children? And the next doctor is audiologist. Audiologist. Able to pronounce this? Audiologist. Audio means what? Listening. No. An audiologist treats and evaluates anything and everything to do with audio or hearing abilities of a person. Now, sometimes what happens, some of our friends, okay, so will not be able to hear properly. They will not be having the capacity of hearing. Okay, it may be a problem for them. So for such type of problem, you can consult audiologist. So to which doctor we have to go? To an audiologist. Okay, because hearing is a very important sense. This is one of the sense organ. No, what ear through which we are going to hear, listen or hear. Okay, so it requires an expert to treat the same. So if you have any problem with hearing, children, we have to consult an audiologist. The other doctor, the third doctor is dentist. So this is a very frequent problem we all face, like the pain in our teeth. No, pain in our teeth or some damage for our teeth. So who is going to treat this? A dentist. So a dentist is a doctor of oral health. So what is oral health again? It includes teeth, tongue and gums. So which is inside our mouth. What will be inside our mouth? We have teeth, we have tongue and we have also the gums, no, above our teeth. So a dentist is going to treat all these three parts. Okay, and a dentist is known to diagnose and treat issues of these three organs. So he is going to diagnose, he is going to identify the problem and give proper treatment and solve the problem of all these three areas. What are the areas? Teeth, tongue and gums. Okay, children? Now, ENT specialist. ENT specialist. So, ENT, what is ENT? ENT stands for ear, nose and throat. Ear, nose and throat. So, if you have any problem with your ear, nose and throat, you can consult an ENT specialist. Again, when I say ear, so before we have said about an audiologist. Audiologist is going to treat about hearing problems. Okay, he is going to treat about the sense, that is the ability to hear. Okay, children, but ENT specialist is going to deal with the sense organ, that is the ear. Okay, so ear, nose and throat. And a specialist who treats and diagnoses the issues and troubles of these three areas is known as an ENT specialist. So if you have a pain in your ear, if you have pus coming from out your ear, anything, a sound from your ear, nose, throat, if you have any problem with these three organs, you can consult an ENT specialist. And the fifth doctor is gynecologist. So gynecologist is totally or purely for uh, female category, like for girls, women. Okay, so a gynecologist is trained to treat the female reproductive system. So this doctor is going to deal with the problems of girls, women. Okay, totally female category. Clear, children? And sixth one is orthopedic surgeon. Orthopedic surgeon. So orthopedic, who is he? An orthopedic surgeon is known to deal with issues relating to the muscles and bones. So our body is made up of muscles and bones. So if you have any issues, any problems with the muscles and bones, no, you have to consult an orthopedic surgeon. Okay, so like suppose if you fall down from height, or if you slip down, sometimes you might get fracture to your leg, to your hand, to your shoulder, any part of your body, no, and sometimes you may have a pain, knee pain or leg pain or any abnormality of muscles and bones. So you have to consult an orthopedic surgeon. Okay, children, so that this doctor is going to cure your problem. And the seventh doctor is pediatrician. Pediatrician. So pediatrician is a doctor who treats children. Children's specialist. Now whenever you fall sick, so your parents are going to take you to a pediatrician, because you are all children. No, you are all children. So children doctor is nothing but a pediatrician, because it is not only the physical problems, like physical problems in the sense, like if you have fever, if you have pain, if you have vomitings, okay, stomach pain, not only this, even some other problems, like if you are not growing, if your body is not developing in a proper way, you are not having a proper growth, okay, and this type of issues are also dealt with this pediatrician. Okay, children, so because adults issues will be different and children issues will be different. So if children are sick because of any cause, so you have to go to a pediatrician. Clear, children? So a pediatrician also helps in mental behavior issues. Mental behavior issues, like suppose some children will be having more anger, some will be talking very less. So these are some behavior problems. Some children will be very scared always. No, so these are all what? Behavior issues. So these issues and also physical health problems will be cured by this pediatrician. Okay, children, so pediatrician is your doctor. And the next doctor is psychiatrist. Psychiatrist also, he helps and treat and diagnose issues of mental health. Mental health. So the problems which are related to brain, like if you say anger, if somebody is getting more anger, if they are depressed, if they are very much dull, no, like all this type of behavior problems come under this mental health. These problems are cured by a psychiatrist. Okay, children, so not able to decide anything, like confusion, all this type of qualities where you will be dealing with this mental health conditions are cured by the psychiatrist. Okay, children. Now veterinarian. Who is veterinarian? Who is going to treat our pet animals. Treatment and diagnosis of issues in animals. In animals, like we have doctors, if humans if we get problem, we are going to consult a doctor. Same like that, even if animals, if they do suffer with any problem, children, even we have special doctors who are going to treat them and cure them with the problems. And who are they? They are veterinarians. They are called as veterinarian doctor. Okay, so even these animals' mental and physical conditions are treated by these veterinarian doctors. And radiologist, the 10th one is radiologist. So who is this radiologist? Like a radiologist for diagnosing diseases and internal external injuries with the help of imaging techniques like x-rays, CT scan, MRI, ultrasound, all this. Okay, so when you have some problem, okay, internal problem or external problem, to get a correct study like what exactly we are suffering from, so we are going to go undergo some tests, no, like x-ray, CT scan, MRI, ultrasound and all this, no. So these tests are done by this radiologist. Clear, children? So who is going to study the reports and come to one conclusion that what exactly is the problem is. Clear? So he is a radiologist. Again, pulmonologist. Pulmonologist. Who is pulmonologist, children? A doctor who deals with our lungs. Okay, pulmonary means lungs. So, hence a doctor who treats abnormalities and issues relating to lungs is a pulmonologist. Like, for instance, if you get cough, if you are getting more cough, so the problem will be with the lungs. No, like breathing problems, cough issues, all that. So you have to consult a pulmonologist. Okay, children? Now, the next doctor is endocrinologist. Endocrinologist. Like an endocrinologist is responsible for treating the endocrine system. Endocrine system. So what do you have in this endocrine system? So which includes the pituitary glands, pancreas, ovaries, okay, like our stomach, liver, all that will come under endocrine system. Clear? Like they also deal with this thyroid, hypothalamus, all these problems. So will be treated by this endocrinologist. Clear, children? Like if you are having ulcers in stomach, pain in stomach, abdomen and all that will be treated. And not only that, even diabetes also. Diabetes and hypothyroidism is also treated by this endocrinologist. Clear, children? Now, and oncologist. Oncologist. So who are they? Oncology involves the study of all types of cancers. So if somebody is suffering with cancer, so an oncologist is going to treat them. So in this oncology, so you will also be having radiation, the medical treatment and also the surgical treatment like operations. They also do operations for the cancer patients. They also give treatment through medicines and they also cure the patient with radiation. No, they are going to kill this cancer cells with through radiations. Okay, children, the cancer patients are treated by the oncologist doctors. Clear? Now, and the 14th doctor is neurologist. Neurologist. So what is neurologist? So a doctor who is responsible for treating and diagnosing issues of the nervous system. A doctor who treats with our nerves. Okay, and what do you have in our nervous system, children? Like we have our brain, we have our spinal cord and sensory organs and all the nerves. So which are included in all these organs like brain, spinal cord, nerves and sensory organs. So if you have any nervous problems in these organs, then a neurologist is going to treat us. Okay, so we have to consult an neurologist. Clear, children? Now, cardiothoracic surgeon. So who is he? Like thorax means the chest. Chest. Okay. So a cardiothoracic surgeon treats conditions of the heart, lungs, esophagus and other organs in the chest. So the chest area, like we have heart, we lungs and esophagus and other organs which are in the chest. If you have any problem with that, you have to consult a cardiothoracic surgeon. Okay, children. Now, at the last, we have dermatologist. Dermatologist. Even this problem also will be much among us. Like the problems related to our skin. No, like we have some rashes on the skin, itching on the skin, some patches on the skin. No, so if you have such problem, you have to consult a dermatologist. So he or she is the medical expert. You should consult if you have any significant problem with your skin. Okay, children. So these are different type of doctors. So if you have any problem, first you have to identify in which part of your body the problem is, and according to that particular part, as we have learnt about all these doctors, you have to consult that particular specialist. Okay, children. So hope you will be healthy and there won't be any need of consulting any doctor. So when you eat good food, stay well. So you will be very far to the doctors. Okay. So wishing you good health. I'll be concluding here. We will be continuing in the next session. Until then, take care, stay well and goodbye. Please visit our website www.aimstoday.in for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, DIY activities, English classes and coding. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.